Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to test if an object has a property. Okay, so once again, we've got the REPL.it. In the first video is where I set this up, and so I'm using I'm using the same REPL.it I've signed in using my GitHub account. And so here we want to assert that the actual object has a given property. So assert property or asset.noProperty to make the test pass. So we're going to go to our REPL.it. If you just started it, you'll be at the README. So you want to come into the tests, and then you go to unit tests. You can see these are the ones that we've passed in the past. And so we're just coming down here. I can see down right here it says approximately, is below, is at least, and we're looking for property or not property. So approximate weird numbers. In the test, edit them. Is below, is at most, is at least. These look correct. Let's just run the test just to see where we're failing right now. And so here we go. Is property property or not property? Functional tests. Objects. A car has no wings. Okay, so unit tests, JS 9185. And so we can scroll down to here. We see line 185. This is where we have our property. Okay, sweet. And so just notice that if you look on the testing and you can find the line error, and that'll help to make sure that you're working in the right place. So we've got 18 passing and 8 failing, which is good. That means we're almost there. So property asserts that the actual object has a given property. Use property or not property where appropriate. So my car and wings. Okay, well, where is my car? My car comes from up here. My car is equal to a car new, and then the car new. And okay, so a new car has it has a model of a sedan, a single engine and 4 wheels, and an airplane has a left and a right 2 engines. It has a model with 737, and then it has the plane has 6 wheels and wings. It has 2. So my car, wings. Does the wings have? Does my car have wings? No, it doesn't. So instead of saying fail, we want to use not property. That's my guess for this one. So airplane. Does it have property of engines? Yes. The plane. We say airplane is a plane, so the plane has 2 engines. And so this has property. So instead of saying .fail, we want to say property. And then assert fail. Well, my car has wheels. Does the car have wheels? Well, my car is an example of is an instantiation of the car, which has 4 wheels. And so here we want to say, does my car have the property of wheels? Yes. And so instead of property, we want to say property. And I think that's how you pass these ones. Okay, so let's stop the server and restart it to rerun the tests, and hopefully now we'll have more passing. So let's stop the server and then start the server. So we see it's going npm start. This is the code. They automatically ran that. They cleared the terminal, and now we ran the tests. So I'm scrolling back up through the tests. And it looks like property and not property are now passing the tests. And so now we've got 19 and 7 passing, which is cool. And our next one is type up, which is going to be probably in the next section. So now we want to just take the URL for our server, which is right here, and paste it into this guy and say we've completed the test. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.